The red pill. It used to be the wholesome base for self-improvement, get in shape, increase knowledge, and improve social skills, all for the simple goal of attracting more women. But within the last 2 years, we had seen this wholesome ideology turn into a very toxic one where it's developed a whole new generation of incels and shallow young men who hate women. When I was younger, in middle school and high school and all this stuff, I had the typical story. I sucked at talking to girls. I sucked at attracting women. I had shit social skills. And generally, I just didn't like myself, bro. And so I went on YouTube and I started diving into the self-improvement niche. And I searched up, how can I talk to girls? How can I start attracting more women? Obviously, I came across Hamza and I started watching his videos. I started diving into the red pill. I started looking at what the red pill was teaching. Get in shape, increase your looks, reading books on how to improve my social skills and all this stuff, bro. I was doing that and it started working for me. Making more friends. I was talking to more girls. And then in 2021 and 2022, during the pandemic, these toxic red pill podcasts started coming out like Fresh and Fit. And at the time, Andrew Tate, I gobbled that up like a fucking goblin, bro. I don't know how to explain it. I gobbled it up, bro. I ate that shit up. Pause. And I started developing these toxic ideologies towards women and relationships and just self-improvement in general. These beliefs included like men could cheat on women and not get emotionally attached. Men can have high body counts, but women can't. I need me a virgin with a body count of 0. I started developing these toxic beliefs and these toxic, unrealistic expectations. The men who gobble up this modern red pill, you are no better than the women that you shit on, bro. You have the same unrealistic beliefs. You have the same toxic beliefs when it comes to relationships. You think it's okay to sleep around. You are no better than the women that you shit on, bro. And it took me a lot of time of sitting down and actually questioning my beliefs. Why do I have these beliefs? To understand that, bro. I realized that these beliefs that I had were not healthy. It was not conducive to the self-improvement. It was not conducive to being the person that I actually wanted to be, bro. Because you look at these guys, bro, and you think, oh, because they sleep around with a lot of girls, they attract a lot of women, they have a bunch of money. You think these guys are very masculine, when in reality, they have some of the most fragile egos. A woman on their podcast talks back to them, and they kick them out the room, bro. They're extremely fragile. The modern red pill makes you extremely shallow, bro. You know how I mentioned earlier, I had the strong belief that all you needed to attract these women was money and good looks. And while that may be true for the degenerate women, what these guys on the modern red pill are teaching is that if you have money and you have the looks, you can attract high value women. But that is not the case at all, bro. It wasn't until I had this girl that I was very attracted to, bro. And she was, fairly innocent from what I could tell. She was very intelligent, very artsy person, bro. And I started talking to this girl. And as I'm talking to this girl for, it was one of the first or second times I was talking to this girl, I started to realize I'm just not on her level at all when it comes to having personality, having something you genuinely believe in and something you really care about. And after that conversation, I went back and I was thinking, when you have a conversation with a girl and you kind of do like a post-game breakdown of the conversation in your head. You'll be in the shower and you're just running through the conversation, what you could have done better, what you could have done different. I was basically doing that and I realized, like, why did that conversation go the way it did? Why did I feel this way about the conversation? And it's because I don't have any personal interest. I don't have any genuine goals that I'm passionate about. And the reason that was the case was because I had that belief that, okay, I have a decent YouTube channel. I'm on my way up. I've improved my looks. I've glowed up a little bit. That's all I need. But I was strongly mistaken, bro. There's a whole bunch of guys out there, bro, who had the same belief I had. And that might be you, bro. You might believe all I need is money. All I need is to go to the gym and work on my looks, bro. When in reality, bro, these girls that you consider feminine and high value, They don't give a shit about that at all. Now, what I'm not saying, bro, is don't work on money, don't work on getting money, don't go to the gym and be healthy. That's not what I'm saying at all, bro, because that definitely does play a factor. But it's not the only thing that you need. You need to be able to evoke emotion in these girls, bro. You need to be able to have some type of personality. A lot of these guys are just clones of one of each other, bro. They talk like Andrew Tate. They have the same beliefs as Andrew Tate. And I'm not shitting on Andrew Tate. I like him. I genuinely like him. But there's a subgroup of guys who look at the toxic things these guys are saying and they literally take it word for word because they can simply not think for themselves. They're the same ones who will go into somebody's comments and call somebody an NPC when they're an NPC themselves, bro. Go look at my fucking Iman Gadzi video, bro. I wasn't even shitting on Iman Gadzi. The whole point of the video was to talk about extending your timeline. And a lot of these red pill guys, these motivational channels were in my comment section calling me NPCs. And I couldn't do anything but laugh. If you're taking the modern red pill or gospel, bro, if you have any of the toxic beliefs I've described in this video, you are an NPC yourself. You take yourself too seriously. You can't think for yourself. You're so one-dimensional. Definition of an NPC, bro. So, might be wondering, Nathaniel, what can I do to solve this? What can I do to make the change over to actual self-improvement, bro? Because the red pill's not part of self-improvement anymore. It's just not. So you might be sitting there wondering, what can I do to make the switch to actual self-improvement? And the first thing is questioning your beliefs. Why do you have the beliefs you do? Is it because of the red pill content? Is it because of the way you grew up? Is it because you have a similar backstory to me where you struggle to attract women? Why do you have the beliefs you do? And question, is this belief conducive to the person I want to be? That's another thing you need to think about. Who do you actually want to be in the future? What do you actually want in the future? Do you want to be a family man? Do you want to be a businessman? Do you want to take care of the people around you? What type of man do you actually want to be? You just have to do a lot of soul searching, bro. And it's going to take some time. It's not going to come to you instantly, but it's the work you need to put in if you actually want to take yourself to that next level. If you truly want to be on your way to being fully masculine, bro, you need to be very comfortable with your beliefs, and they have to be your own beliefs that you've developed yourself. They can't come from an external source, bro. And the best way to do that is by just experiencing life. Especially me, when I was taking in a lot of this modern red pill content, I wasn't experiencing life. I was going off of what these guys were telling me and connecting dots that I've seen on the internet and online and on social media, and then developing my beliefs based off of that. When in reality, the best way to develop beliefs, to develop a strong belief system, is simply through experience, simply through experiencing different things in life. And then the next step into improving yourself and taking yourself to the next level, stepping away from red pill content, is understanding that you are a product of your environment. If you are watching a bunch of these podcasts, if you're watching a bunch of these Instagram reels and YouTube shorts and all this stuff, bro, you are going to become a product of that. But if you start taking in, the actual self-improvement advice, the actual business advice, the actual social skill advice and all this stuff, and reading books and then going testing it out, and you're removing your friends who are toxic and all this stuff, you will become a product of that. But yeah, brother, if you're ready to make the change to actual self-improvement and actually taking yourself to that next level, go ahead, scroll down to the comments and join my community, bro. We've just hit 100 members in there, 100 brothers trying to improve their lives and take themselves to the next level. So if you're ready to actually make the change to actual self-improvement, bro, join that Discord. It's in the comment section. It's not in the description. It's in the comment section. It'll be in the pinned comment, bro. So scroll down, click on that, join the Discord, say what's up to everybody, introduce yourself. And yeah, bro, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked anything I said. Stay up, stay blessed, live yours. See ya, bro.